social media awareness and its effect on environmental conservation. What do you know about social media platforms? Social media platforms are online services that enable users to create and share content, connect with others, and participate in virtual communities. So let's go!
Good afternoon po, sir. What is the positive and negative impact po of using social media platforms in the environment?
Okay, first, we will take about the positive impact regarding the using of media platform in the environment. About the positive impact, first, about the awareness and mobilization. Under this, so it gives raise or nakakapagbigay ito ng raise ng kamalayan ng mga tao, ang social media, tungkol sa mga issue dito sa ating kapaligiran, about the government, political issue, about the environmental issue, and other issues which concerns about sa community. And example, we have the climate change, and we have also the pollution and conservation. So ito ay nakapag-organize rin ito ng mga movement, ang mga tao, nagkakaroon sila ng pagiging aware sa about sa climate change and pollution, kaya nagkakandak sila ng mga protesta or rallying na kumbaga ginigising nila ang mga government officials and other people concerned about sa climate change and pollution para ma-address ang problema or mabigyan ito ng tamang solusyon. So another thing, we have also the tinatawag natin na community building. So nakakapag-connect ang social media ng mga taong may iisang interest lamang sa isang issue pag-abot sa kapaligiran, and nakapagbibigay ng sense of community and support para mabigyan ng solusyon ang problema kagaya ng nasabi natin kanina pagbigay sa problema pagdating sa pollutions and other related cases. So about the negative impact dito sa ecological waste. Okay, nakakatulong ang social media sa pag-generate ng electronic waste. Electronic waste, ano ba kung ecological waste? Electronic waste mula sa mga device na ginagamit natin para mag-scroll at mag-post kagaya ng mga cellphone. So dapat ang mga cellphone pala, pag nasisira ito, hindi mo lang basta-basta itatapon kung saan. Dapat meron tayong tinatawag na electronic waste. So kung badyan ka halimbawa sa SM, diyan mga sa may mga tindahan ng mga cellphone, siguro mahiling mo ito dyan tapunan, ihulog mo itong mga wires and cellphones mo, duman sa electronic waste. So dapat segregated siya. Yung mga electronic waste, hindi dapat itapon basta-basta kung saan lamang. So yan ang negative impact pagdating sa dun sa questions mo na kung ano ang positive and negative impact sa paggamit ng social media platform sa kapaligiran. And another thing, sa negative impact when it comes to the energy consumption. Okay, dito nakapag-contribute ang mga data center at server na sumusuporta sa social media sa greenhouse emission at energy consumption. So yan ang negative impact.
That's all po. Thank you po for answering.
See.
Good afternoon po.
Good afternoon.
What's your name po?
My name is Domingo Nalian.
Pwede ka po mag-interview?
Yeah.
How can social media platforms be used to engage a wider audience in environmental awareness and all conservation?
How can social media platforms be used? For me, in my humble opinion, I think we should use social media platforms in a way that we get to advertise or to create promotional videos regarding the current situation of our environment, because I believe that nowadays people are likely to watch more entertaining videos or dance videos than to listen to the echoes of our environment. So for me, by creating promotional videos, advertisements, infomercial, and putting it on social media platforms, I believe in that way we can reach a wider audience, and that way also I believe that many people will get to see or get to realize how our current environmental issues are really affecting us. And yeah, I mean, in that way, I can think of that mas magiging effective siya. Yeah, that is for me.
Thank you po.
Welcome.
Hello po, good afternoon po.
Good afternoon.
Pwede ka pong ma-interview.
Yeah, sure.
What is your name po?
My name is Aubrey P. Tuazon.
So this is my question. How do you think social media platforms have changed the way we understand and act on environmental issue?
When we say na may impact or epekto sa tao, it has a positive and negative. So, unahin ko muna yung positive. Kasi nowadays, some people or all of us depend on social media platforms, and sometimes we tend to not hang out with our friends, just kumbaga kontento na tayo kasi hawak natin yung cellphone. So by that, it can ease their boringness, yung pagiging boring nila, kahit mag-isa sila, they can enjoy without their friends, without having socialization. But in the larger part is that social media, ginagawa na tayong slave or alipin, So yun. And then nasabi ko na yung kanina, positive So when it comes naman sa negative, it can lessen the relationship or communication with others. And by that, nasa atin na lang kung magpapa-apekto ba tayo, magpapaalipin ba tayo sa social media, or we can make it a big help or weapon for us to communicate with one another. So that's all. I hope nasimbag ko siya.
Thank you so much.
Okay.